Hello everyone, Ivan Leong right here, and today I just want to be talking about this least known knowledge about fat loss. And I would say that 95% of people don't really know about this. But if you watch this video and you understand that what I'm talking about here, because I actually dumb everything down to make sure that a grade 9 intelligence will actually understand what I'm talking about. So I'm going to try my best today, and stay tuned. All right, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so 95% of why our diets, 95% of why diets fail is because of hunger. And why we are hungry, why we feel hungry, it's because we have this thing called fat cell in our body. And it is also known as adipocyte. Alright, so fat cell, I'm going to show you a picture right here of our fat cell. So, okay, this is a fat cell. And your fat cell, it likes to be half full, which is right here. And whenever you start dieting, your fat cell, it's going to start depleting. And whenever your diet is finished, your fat cell is pretty much depleted. And this is why your fat cell is going to release a kind of hormone. It's called ghrelin. It causes you to feel hungry. And this is why almost every single time everyone after a diet, they will just gain back all the weight and rebound. And I would say that this hunger thing, this knowledge about fat cell, it's so important to share it to everyone in order for everyone to understand, so that all of you wouldn't be wondering why that your diet failed, or wondering why your exercise or like going to the gym is just useless because you just don't see any result, or maybe your result is just like it's just there and you cannot keep the weight off. Okay, and but the thing is, if the normal average person, they didn't go through any kind of dieting phase, their fat cell would pretty much be like right here, and this is like the normal looking fat cell. And some people, they have this genetic predisposition, their fat cell likes to be more than half full. And these kind of people, most of the time they are just have a tougher time to lose weight. And most of this, it's because whenever they were younger, it's maybe either that their parents overfed them, or maybe they picked the wrong parents. They have this genetic predisposition to actually gain more weight than other people. So this is why it is actually harder for them to lose weight. So right now, I'm going to be sharing with you a picture of me when I'm younger. So okay, and as you can see right here that this is me, this was me. And growing up, I have a really tough time to lose weight and keep the weight off. um, I and this is why I always go to the gym, and in order to make sure that that I am actually leaner than how I used to look. And because I do know that obesity is a very serious health problem, and I always make sure that I do something about it. And okay, some people, their fat cell just like to be less than half full, and it's like depleted. And this is why you see that sometimes whenever you go to the park, or maybe when you were in high school, you will see some guy or girl, they have this really low body fat percentage where most of the time they will just take off their clothes and play basketball, and then they have this ripped six pack right at your face. And yeah, this is why, and this is because that they pick the right parents. They are more blessed. Their hunger hormone is lesser, and they tend to just eat lesser year round and throughout the day. And yeah, this is why that they are leaner than you. Okay, but the thing is, right here, I'm going to be providing a few solutions in order for you to fight back this mechanism, which is called homeostasis. Because whenever you went through a dieting process, your fat cells will deplete. And then whenever it depletes, it just wants to move you back up to that normal level where you'll gain back all the weight. But the thing is, there are actually a few solutions. the biggest solution right here is actually to eat low calorie dense food year round. So what is low calorie dense food? I'm going to be providing one example of a low calorie dense food is that veggies, spinach, lettuce. If you eat a whole head of lettuce like this, it's only like 70 calories compared to a double Kit Kat bar like this. It's only it's like, I would say it's around like 80 to 90 calories. So whole head of lettuce and a Kit Kat bar, depending on, and then if you choose the right food, the whole head of lettuce, you eat it, it creates a stretch, a distended stretch at your stomach, and it just makes you to not want to eat again. So you can actually go back and try, and you can actually like try it at home right now to eat a whole head of lettuce, and try to eat a few more donuts later on, and you will not feel the urge in order to eat. A large bowl of salad. Other than that, it would be some popcorn, as well as you can mix some thickening agents such as xanthan gum or guar gum into your protein shake. You blend it all up together. It will thicken the shake, and you just drink it, and then you can just feel there's a really big stretch in your stomach, and you feel full that you will not be wanting to eat anything ever again. So this kind of thickening agent, you can usually find them at Starbucks or maybe McDonald's. These two companies, they always use this kind of thickening agent in order to make their frappuccino or their milkshake thicker. And you can actually buy them from Lazada or anywhere online. Right now, you can actually buy from Jaya Grocer as well. It would cost you like 70 ringgit for a bag, but if you buy them online, it would be much cheaper. So that it is for today, and I do hope that you actually understand that this concept of homeostasis, fat cell, and adipocyte, and you can just apply it into your life so that you can stay leaner year round and just maintain a healthier physique and maintain a healthier lifestyle. If you like this video, and share it if you think it's helpful. And then for coaching, you can email me at ivanleongfitness@gmail.com, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.